Have you ever wondered how some people on the internet are quietly making $100 per day without showing their face, without any degree, and without any previous skills? Well, the truth is that copywriting is one of the simplest online skills that can help complete beginners start earning real money. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it step by step. If you stay with me till the end, you will also learn how AI tools like Jogg AI can help you write professional-level copy, even if you have never typed a single ad before. The link to everything I mention is already in the description, and if you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because this one is packed with actionable steps. First of all, let's understand what copywriting actually is. Copywriting simply means writing words that attract attention, build interest, and persuade someone to take action. This could be a caption, a social media post, a product description, an email, or even a short sales script. The reason copywriting pays well is because businesses desperately want people who can write words that convert into sales. And you don't need to be a perfect writer, you only need to understand how to communicate clearly and emotionally. Now let's get into the steps that will help you start earning up to $100 per day with copywriting as a complete beginner. First of all, the first method is freelancing copywriting. This is the easiest and fastest way to start making money because platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer already have thousands of buyers looking for copywriters every single day. All you need to do is create a simple profile with a clean description, a few sample works, and a clear service. The best way to stand out is to offer small, simple copywriting services such as writing Instagram captions, rewriting product descriptions, or creating email templates. Most beginners start charging $10 to $20 per project and within a few weeks move up to $50 or even $100 per single job. If you're confused about how to write your first samples, don't worry because later in this video I'll show you how Jogg AI can generate professional copy so you can use those samples to build your gig immediately. If you're getting value so far, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel because more videos like this are coming. Second method is selling copywriting services directly to small businesses. This is one of the fastest ways to hit $100 per day because small local businesses don't know how to write compelling ads, and most of them don't even have good descriptions on their websites or social media pages. You can simply message local shops, online sellers, real estate agents, or even small clothing brands and offer a simple service like creating a high-converting product description, crafting a short ad script, or rewriting their bio. Even one client paying you $50 to $100 per week can hit your daily target. And again, with tools like Jogg AI, you can create professional content in minutes. You simply type the product details or business details and it generates highly converting copy that you can send to your client. This makes the work extremely easy even for beginners, and I have put the link for Jogg AI in the description below so you can check it out anytime. Third method is making money with content creation. Copywriting is not limited to ads. Today, brands want content that can hold attention and bring engagement. You can write scripts for YouTube Shorts, hooks for TikTok videos, captions for Instagram posts, and storytelling content. Each of these can earn you $10 to $20 per piece, and once you have 10 to 15 regular clients, hitting $100 per day becomes very realistic. Many creators don't know how to write catchy hooks, and that is why short-form script writing is in huge demand. And again, Jogg AI is extremely valuable here because you can input the topic and instantly get several hook ideas, script formats, and caption options. If at any point in the video you're thinking this is useful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more digital money-making content. Fourth method is affiliate copywriting. This is where you write short promotional copy to sell digital products or tools and earn a commission. If you post on Pinterest, Medium, Quora, or even Instagram, you can write simple persuasive content like reviews, comparisons, or problem solution posts. When someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn money. Most affiliates earn between $50 to $100 per day using just simple copywriting skills. You can promote tools, online courses, templates, or even Amazon products. And if you use Jogg AI, you can create product reviews, ad copy, comparison posts, and email templates instantly without spending hours thinking what to write. The link to Jogg AI is in the description below. Fifth method is micro copywriting gigs. These are tiny writing tasks that pay small amounts but add up quickly, such as writing taglines, rewriting headlines, writing About Us sections, or improving existing texts. Many beginners start earning their first $10 or $20 per day with these micro tasks and gradually move up. The advantage is that these tasks don't require long writing and you can finish them in 10 to 15 minutes. With Jogg AI, you can generate multiple headline variations instantly, making it extremely easy to deliver high-quality results. Now let me guide you on how to actually learn copywriting fast so that you can start earning immediately. The simplest formula is research, structure, emotion, and call to action. Research means understanding the audience. Structure means arranging your words in a flow. Emotion means connecting with the reader. And call to action means telling them what to do next. Almost every high-converting copy in the world uses this formula. And if you struggle with any part of this, Jogg AI can help you build the entire structure in seconds because it is designed exactly for content creators and freelancers. So if you want to try it, check the link in the description. The final method is building a copywriting personal brand. Once you start posting copywriting tips, breakdowns, sample rewrites, client testimonials, or even simple writing tutorials, people will start trusting your skill. Within a few months, you can start selling your own templates, writing packages, or monthly copywriting memberships. Even 10 clients paying you $10 a day can give you a stable $100 per day income. So to summarize everything quickly before we end the video, the first method is freelancing. The second method is offering services to small businesses. The third method is content creation. The fourth method is affiliate copywriting. The fifth method is micro-copy gigs. And the sixth method is building a personal brand. If you follow even 2 or 3 of these consistently, earning $100 per day becomes a realistic target. Make sure to check the description for all important links, including Jogg AI. And if this video helped you in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel because I will keep bringing more practical videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.